Hello students, we are going to learn about the application of LPA, okay? Application of linear pair angles or linear pair axioms. As you know that students, if you apply the concept of LPA, then you need one of the straight line and one of the ray. In that condition, you can apply the concept of LPA, okay? So we are going to solve some questions regarding the this topic. Okay. So first question, you can see this is the straight line and this is the ray strain on it, and the angle of AOC equals to 62 degree. Okay. Angle of AOC equals to 62 degree. We need to find angle BOC. Okay. So we can say in question number 1, this is the question from R.S. Agrawal. Okay, so we can write here, we need to find angle BOC. This is the figure, this figure is already given in the question. That's why we can directly take, and if you have the R.S. Agrawal of old book, then you should go exercise 4B. Okay, exercise 4B. So question number 1, you can see angle AOC, we have angle AOC equals to what? 62 degree. Okay, AOC equals to 62 degree. We need to find we need to find angle BOC. Okay, angle BOC. So we can write here AP, we can write here ray OC stand on line what? AB, line AB, hence angle AOC plus angle BOC equals to 180 degree due to LPA, means linear pair of axioms or angle. So angle AOC is what? 62 degree, and angle BOC we need to find equals to 180 degree. So angle BOC equals to 180 degree minus 62 degree, that is 118 degree. This is the measure of angle. Okay, 8 to 10, 6 to 6, 1, 7, 1, 8 and 1. Okay, 118 degree. This is the value of angle BOC equals to 118 degree. Okay, students. So then you can solve like this question. We already given in some questions regarding this topic. Okay, so here is the some questions for practice. So here is angle AOC equals to 60 degree. You can solve like this way. Angle AOC equals to 55 degree. Next, angle AOC equals to 50 degree. Angle AOC equals to 45 degree. Okay, you should solve this question on the basis of question number 1. Okay, you have used this for this figure, and you will have to find angle BOC in each and every case. Okay, so let's move to solve next question. Question number 2, that is from R.S. Agrawal. Okay, question number 2, this is one of the straight lines already given. This is the question number 2. So this is the straight line is already given and the two rays is given. Okay, so like this way, this is the ray and second ray is here, second ray is here. Okay, so this ray is C, this is the C and this is the D. Okay, and the value of angle is already given. Here is 55, here is 55 degree, and you can see this is the O, and here this angle is x plus 20 degree, x plus 20 degree, and this angle is 3x minus 5 degree. Okay, this angle is 3x minus 5 degree. So we need to find angle AOC, we need to find angle AOC and BOD. Okay, means we will have to find the value of angle, we need to find angle AOC and angle BOD. Okay, so let's apply the concept of LPA. So this is the straight line and this is the ray. Okay, so we can write ray OC is straight on line AB. That's why angle AOC plus angle BOC equals to 180 degree, and BOC we can split in two parts. BOC we can write here angle BOD plus angle COD, and then it will equate to also 180 degrees. So we can process like this way. Suppose is here ray OC stain on line AB. So angle AOC plus angle BOC, this is the angle 180. So this is the region of LPA. Okay, so angle BOC we can split in two parts, angle BOD plus angle COD. So we can write here angle AOC plus angle BOC, we can write here BOD, angle BOD plus angle COD equals to 180 degree. Okay, we can put the value of AOC here is 3x minus 5 degree plus angle BOD, that is the x plus 20 degree, and here is COD, that is the 55 degree, equals to 180 degree. Okay, so we can split, you can check 3x plus x, that is the 4x, and here is minus 5, 55 means 50 plus 20 equals to what, 70 degree, that is the 180 degree. So 4x equals to 180 minus 70, that is the 4x equals to, we can write 110, we can write here 110. Suppose here is 3x minus 5, okay, and 55, 5, 20, 70, 4x, 110, and here we can subtract this or we can divide, we will get here x equals to 110 by 4. Okay, so this is the value, we can split it 55 by 2, so we can write here 2 2s are 4, and here is 2 2s are 4, and 2 2s are 4, and 2 7s are, this is the 27.5. Okay, so you can check, this is the value of x, you can write here also, you can write here 27 degree 30 minute. Okay, so we need to find here, you can see we need to find angle AOC and angle BOD. So we will have to put the value of AOC and BOD. So we can write here angle AOC equals to what? 3x minus 5. Okay, 3x minus 5 degree. So the value of x equals to 3 into 27.5 degree minus 5 degree. So 5 3s are 15, 3 7s are 21 and 22, 3 2s are 6, 1 7, sorry, 3 2s are 6, 2 8 minus 5 degree. So we can write here 82 minus 5, that is the 77.5 degree. Okay, that is the value of AOC, and you can we will have to find also angle BOD. So angle BOD equals to what? We can write here BOD equals to x plus 20 degree. So the value of x equals to what? You can check 27 degree, 27.5 degree. Okay, 27.5 degree plus 20 degree. So we can write here 47.5 degree. That is the answer. Okay, so let's move to another question. That is the question number 3. Okay, that is the question number 3. That is the question number 3. You can see the question number 3. That is this is the one of the straight line is already given, and 2 rays is already given here. This is the A and this is the B and this is the, you can write here, this is the one of the ray and this is also one of the ray, this is the one of the also ray. Okay, so here is O and this is the D, this is the C and this is the D, and some data is already given. So this angle is already given, that is the x degree. Next, 2x minus 19. This angle is 2x minus 19. 2x minus 19 degree. Okay. So and next is 3x plus 7. Next is 3x plus 7 degree. This is the 3x plus 7 degree. Okay. So we need to find here, find the value of x and find AOC, COD, AOC, COD and BOD. Means we need to find here AOC, BOC, BOD, COD and the value of x. Okay. So means we can write here, we need to find what? We need to find find x, next angle AOC, next angle COD, next angle BOD. Okay, so let's move to solve the questions. So we can write here ray OC stand on a line, what? AB. Okay, that's why we can write angle AOC plus angle BOC, that is the 180 degree due to linear pair of angles, and we can write here BOC in two part. We can write here BOC in two part, yes. So here is the AOC and here is the BOC. We can write here BOD plus COD, okay. And after that we can put the formula. So the value of AOC is what? You can see 3x plus 17, sorry 3x plus 17, and after that the value of BOD is what? BOD equals to x degree, and the value of COD equals to what? 2x minus 90. 2x minus 90 degree, okay. So please check what is the sum of this angle. I think we will get here 3x plus x plus 2x, 3, 4, 2, 6. Okay, here is 6. And 7 out of 19, we can write here minus 12 degree equals to 180 degree. So 6x equals to 180 degree plus 12 degree, that is 192 degree, okay. So first of all we need to find what is the value of x. We need to find what is the value of x. So we can write here 6x equals to 192 degree. So x equals to 192 degree by 6. So we can add 6 3 is 18 and 6 2 is 12. So this is the value of x equals to 32 degree. So we need to find x. So this is the answer of first. Now we will have to find the value of AOC, COD and BOD, okay. So let me solve. So here angle AOC, the value of angle AOC, you can see this is the 3x plus 7 degree. So x equals to what? 32 degree. So 3 into 32 degree plus 7. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 plus 7. So 7 and 103 degree. This is the value of AOC. And the value of COD equals to that is at 2x minus 90. 2x minus 90 degree means 2 into 32 minus 90 degree. So here is 64 minus 19. So 40, 19, 5 and 5 1 4. And angle BOD, that is the x degree, okay. This means the value of x is 32. So that is the answer for question number 3. So you should solve the question of LPA like this way. So some questions, let me move to next question. Here is the question number 4. Here is the question number 4, and the ratio of angle is given, okay. This is the straight line, and the value of a straight line, the name of the straight line is, this is here x, and this is the y, capital Y, and this is the O, and there are two rays that start from O, first ray and second ray. This is the ray, okay. And here you can see this is the P, this is the Q, and the angle is, this is the x degree, this is the x degree, and this is y degree, this is y degree, and this is z degree, okay. We need to find, this is the z degree. We need to find x, what is the value of x, what is the value of y, what is the value of z. and the ratio quantity is already given, means x ratio y ratio z equals to 5 is to 4 is to 6, means x ratio y ratio z equals to 5 5 4 6. Okay, this is already given, 5 ratio 4 ratio 6. Okay, so let me explain. Before the solving the question, we will have to take one of the ratio quantity, because data is in ratio form. That's why we will have to take one ratio quantity. Let ratio quantity let ratio quantity be m. Okay, so x equals to what, 5m, y equals to what, 4m, and z equals to what, 6m. Okay, so this is the straight line, so we can write here ray pq ray ray op stand on a line what, xo y. That's why angle xo, that's why angle xop, so that's why angle xop plus angle POY, that is the 180 degree due to LPA. So we can split angle POY in two parts. So we can write here angle XOP plus angle POY is what, POY, that is we can write here angle POQ plus angle what, QOY. Okay, so this is the terms, and the value of XOP you can observe here. XOP, that is the XOP means x degree plus y degree plus z degree equals to 180 degree. So the value of x equals to what, you can observe 5m plus what, 4m plus what, 6m equals to 180 degree. So we can write here 5 4 9 9 6 15. So 15m equals to 180 degree. So n equals to what, 180 degree by 15, means 15 ones are 15, and here is 30, means 15 twos are 30. So this is the value of m, or we need to find here, this is the value of m. We need to find here what, we need to find here value of x, y and z. So we can put here the value of x, y, z. So x become, hence angle x equals to what, 5m. 5m means 5 into 12, that is the 60 degree. Angle y equals to what, angle y equals to 4m. So 4 into 12, that is the 48 degree. Angle z equals to what, angle z equal to 6m. So 6 into 12, that is the 72 degree. 5 yes, that is the answer. Okay, so I think you can solve this question problem based on LPA, and I will give some question regarding this topic to solve or to practice. Okay, that's why. So you can see, this is the question number 1. You will have to solve. This is the straight line. Here is A, and here is also B, and here is O, and here is one of the ray here, and you need to find here 4x minus 36, 4x minus 36 degree, and here is 3x plus 20 degree, 3x plus 20 degree. So you need to find here, first find x, next find AOC, next find BOC. Okay, so next question, that is the question number 2. This is the one of the straight line, and here is A, and here is B, here is O. Okay, and this is the one of the ray here, this is also one of the ray here, and here is D, and here is C. Okay, so the value of this angle is 2x minus 20 degree, and the value of this angle is 65 degree, 65, and the value of this angle equals to x. Okay, so you need to find here angle AOC and find BOD. Okay, this BOD. Okay, you need to find. Next question, that is a question number 3. This is the one of the ray, this is the A, this is the B, and here is the one of the ray, that is the O, and here is C, and 3x plus 5 degree, this is the 3x plus 5 degree, 3x plus 5 degree, and here is 12x minus 25 degree, 12x minus 25 degree, here is 25. Okay, 25 degree. You need to find angle, you need to find here angle AOC, find angle AOC and find angle DOD. Okay, so students, that is sufficient question to understand the terms of LPA. Okay, next video we will discuss about the application of vertically opposite angle, and next video we will discuss about the application of the corollary of the linear pair angle. Okay, so this is the one of the complete videos on the application of LPA. You should solve all of the questions which is given by me in whiteboard. Okay, if you are unable to solve this question, then you should use comment box. Okay, so you can reply, you can comment in my YouTube channel. That's why I will give that point what is the problem area. Okay, so all the best. Okay, thank you student.